Today we are at the Summer Palace.
While we are working, we are enjoying traveling and visiting. And here we are in Beijing, and we can see a little bit of the history. Look at that, it's amazing. When I was a child, I always wanted to visit this kind of place. The Great Wall, the great workout. This is China.
It was great. We had a very good day today at the Great Wall with great people, with
Great weather,
great
sun,
great
food.
everything. And then we went back with a great taxi driver. And
Oh yes.
so now we had a great dinner with great people again, and now we are going back to our great hotel room
Yes.
into the great bed.
Hey, let's rob a bank. Bank of China.